Can we get?
I want to document this.
Can we get a blunt wrap though?
Reasoning because
Here.
this is the fake weed epidemic. Okay?
You see this?
We have some citron with baby mushrooms in it.
I'm gonna show you
Is
something.
this still recording? Because you pressed one. And then we
I'm gonna
have
show
the
you
loopy
something.
fruits.
It looks like real weed, but they're lying.
And we're recording this because this is
not
only going to
really-
last like 3 months, but we're all going to
Me
remember it.
too.
Remember when everyone smoked fake weed?
This is what the
Because
fake
we're
weed
all
is.
on probation.
Yep. I'm on probation.
Look at, wait, I want to
This bitch is on probation. You already know,
smiley
girl.
face.
Look, see? D.
D, come here.
D. Come here.
D needs to calm the fuck down. Let's go. Ow. Alright, well, text me. I'm embarrassed.
Alright.